Welcome to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, I'm going to show you how to make some chewy vanilla sugar cookies. So let's get on with the recipe. I have 1 cup of white granulated sugar, a half a cup of salted butter, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. In some countries this is called plain flour. 1 egg, and I am using a large egg in my recipe today. 2 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and our last ingredient, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. For our first step, we'll get our butter into a large bowl, and my butter is at room temperature, so it is soft. I'm going to grab my mixer. Just want to break down the butter a little bit. And then right away, I'm going to start pouring in all of my sugar. In the first step, I want to cream this together. So you can see my butter is nice and soft, so it's incorporating very, very easily with our sugar. So at this point, that looks good. Everything's come together really well. Then I'm going to add my egg. And that's really going to help with the creaming process. You can see right away that egg is starting to make everything really smooth. That looks good. I'll slow down my mixer. And then I'm going to add in my vanilla. I'll slow my mixer down again, and I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of water. Okay, that looks good. And now we'll sift in our dry ingredients. Then I'll get all of my all-purpose flour into our sieve and our little bit of baking powder. And then we'll just slowly get all of that in there. We'll just push that through. Perfect. Grab our mixer one last time. Just speed number 1. And now I just want to mix all of this in here. You can see how fast this comes together. Perfect. And now we are ready to get these onto our baking sheet. So I've got myself a little cookie scoop here, or a little ice cream scoop. I'm just going to get these on here. And I want to leave a little bit of room because these do expand. This dough smells amazing. So now I'm going to pop these into my 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 15 minutes. So here we are again, right out of the oven, and these are really nice. They smell amazing. I had them in for exactly 15 minutes. 350 degrees Fahrenheit. They smell so good. So there we have those. That's our first batch. You can see that they spread out quite a bit. So here's my second batch ready to go. So I'm going to remove all of these, and I'll do the last little bit that remains, and then we'll come back. All of our baking is done. We have 6, 12, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 cookies. And I'm going to take one of the first ones that we did, so it's nice and cool, and I'm just going to break into it, and you can see how nice this cookie is. It's not hard at all. If you want these a little bit more crisp, you're going to bake them a little bit longer. But look at that. Nice and brown on the bottom. Look at that. Oh, I'm going to go in for a little bite. That's really, really good. I had to go in for 2 bites there. These are really, really fun, really delicious. I hope you try this recipe out. If you're on Facebook, you can check me out, facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. So that's it for today's really fast and fun video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Yum. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.